Hello and welcome. So finally we got a permanent space after 6 months and I'm super excited to set this up. And by the way, this was the actual mess that I cleared and now it's time to set this up again. Let's do this. And I'm extremely sorry for being missing and not posting, and now you know the reason where I was, right? We were actually moving and waiting for this new space. Sorry to keep you waiting, but the best part is now I will be sharing all new videos and paintings. Super excited about it and extremely grateful for this space. Okay, so there's a lot to do, but let's quickly set this up. And also how beautiful and bright is this carpet that I got from my hometown. Okay, now I think now we are finally done, and yes, come on in. Thank you so much for joining me today to celebrate all the hard work. I baked this apple crust and Yummy and Tea are loving it. Alright, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah. Do you want to take bath? No.